Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this branded PUMA footwear, which is PUMA shoes. See here, uh, PUMA Reflex Wns Casuals for women. Okay, and we got this for 1022 rupees, and now it is showing something like 1142 1142 rupees. Anyway, you need to check in the Flipkart app for the exact price, and these are the blue and white combinations. Puma branded Puma Reflex WNS Casual for women. Actually, the main reason the user got this footwear is for walking purpose. Okay, so they should be branded, and the second consideration is they should be lightweight. So keeping on both the conditions, the user has opted to purchase this on the Flipkart sale. And one thing, this is open box delivery. That's the reason the delivery guy only opened this package. Okay, this was the package. Just let me put this on so I can keep this down here. Okay, let me remove this one also. The packaging is good. Okay, this is the lace up model only. The user wants lace for the adjustable thing. That's the reason many users want no lace shoes, but yeah, these are the lace and these are the look. And if you want to say the overall look, the initial impressions, they are looking exactly like which they appear on the picture. See, most of the times what we look in the picture and what the reality will differ, but now I can say they are looking very premium and looking very close to the picture what we have seen before ordering these shoes. And this got 4.1 rating, and many users has rated this product, and that's the reason user has purchased this. And yeah, coming to the weight, they're looking pretty much lightweight, very lightweight. And this is the size of 5, yeah, and it is mentioned like PVC free. Okay, this is not of PVC material, maybe rubber, yeah. And we'll check the flexibility. Okay, very flexible. What I'll do is, if you ask in the comments if you want a review video on that or the status update video of this Puma branded shoes, maybe like after 4 to 5 months of usage for daily walking, if you ask that, so I'll be doing a video after 5 months, like what are they up to, what are the shoes up to after 5 months of user usage for daily walking. And these are Puma Reflex WNS Casual for women, which is a blue and white combination color. Yeah, waterproof. Is it waterproof? Yes, they are saying very much waterproof, means you can wash these shoes. And these are of the cloth, like see the close look. Okay, this is the air mesh, maybe for the ventilation purpose. Okay, and the sole is good, and the cushion and everything I'll be telling you in the review video. Once the user uses this for like 10 to 15 days, maybe I can do a small review video on that, how comfortable are these for the walking. And remember, these are not for the running, just for the walking purpose the user has took these shoes. And within this budget range, more advantage I want to note this on the shoes here. See here, unlike the lace up shoes, this is not separated here. See here, this area, see, this is a single part. You can observe this is a single part, and it got some elasticity. Okay, I'll be showing you if possible the elasticity of this. See, okay, means you can use them as directly like no lace shoes also. This lace is just for the adjustable purpose, you can see here. Okay, and this is the single cloth, just like the shoes without lace. So this will be like 2 in 1. Okay, see here, This is clear here now with the better lighting. This is clear, and this got some elasticity to adjust to fit in. Okay, yeah. And within this budget range, these are pretty good, and the look also, they are looking perfectly fine. Means they're looking very premium at this price range. Okay, and we need to check how durable are they. Means how many months does this shoes get for daily walking purpose. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. Okay, fine.